Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the bright and clear CapCut coloring adjustments for your videos. So basically, you just need to add your video, then go to adjust and follow this setting. So for the brightness, set it into 5, then set the contrast into 10, and then the saturations 5, set the exposure into 10, then sharpen 50, like this, and then highlight -10, shadow 15, and last temperature -5. Then you'll get that clear and also bright video. So here is the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.